This is kind of a unboxing video. I just received this. It is the M9 Plus, and it will be replacing my old mesh system, which was the S4. Now this S4, it's done everything you could expect it to do. I have like 40 clients, a lot of security cameras, plugs, light bulbs, that type of thing. Now this was running it okay. It's just that some of the cameras would disconnect or have problems connecting to it. So I wanted to go with a little better systems, which is why I went with the M9 Plus. So yeah, this is we're putting it back in the box thing. This is the TP-Link S4. It's almost identical to the M4. Difference is I think this is like almost 3/4 of an inch smaller, shorter. Other than that, I've been really happy with this S4. Although I've only had it up for a couple weeks, but you know, I really like it. I mean, I just gotta say, I just really like it. So we're putting that away. We are. I have 3 of these, by the way. I'll be packing them back up. I have a buyer for them already, and we'll come back when I unpack the other ones. You know, this one again, it's the Deco M9 Plus TP-Link. Here we go. It got a Wi-Fi dead zone killer. Sorry about the glare there. It's a tri-band, and that was the main reason I wanted to go with this, was because of the tri-band, where the S4 is a 2-band. This is a 3-band. I have the built-in smart hub. We'll see if it works with my stuff. And says it'll connect over 100 devices. We'll see. Anyway, let's get this baby open up. Are you ready? And there you have it. There we have them, right there. Here we have this one. So we have 3 of them. Right here in this little package is a quick start guide. I got 1,000 languages, 1 page each. How funny. An Ethernet cable here. Quick guide. We have this as the unit, one of the main units that I'm going to hook up first. You can see it comes with USB, 2 Ethernet ports, and a power port right there. As you can see, it has a matte finish on top, a real shiny finish on the sides, and a matte finish on the bottom. Alright, well, I'm going to get this baby unpacked, and we'll take it in and get it up and see if we can get her running. Well, yeah, in the box was the power cords, 2 power adapters. There's 3 of these. It's got a matte finish also. Hopefully the cords are fairly long. We'll see. They never are, but never long enough. But alrighty, let's get that puppy hooked up. Yes, this is my motor room and my storage room. Alrighty, this is very important. Download the Deco app to your device. Disable your Wi-Fi on your modem slash router if you have the combo, and then unplug your modem router. Now the power cord they give you only about 5 foot long, so it's not really long. Hopefully it'll be enough to do the job for you. The Ethernet cable here. Go ahead and plug that into my modem router. Again, I have disabled the Wi-Fi part of my modem router. Now this is going to be the main module. So this is going to be my main Wi-Fi module. Okay. Let me show you what's on the app now. Okay. Here's where you're going to be glad that you downloaded the app first, because of course I have no internet. So when we go to log in, of course it's not going to let us log in because, again, we don't have any internet. Kind of silly, huh? They don't tell you this in the setup. Well, what we're going to do then is we're going to go ahead and we're going to plug in the module and the modem because we need internet to finish setting this up. It's a double-edged sword. Not funny they don't tell you that. Now, I guess if you've got data, you could do it without plugging this in first. But I don't have data. So we're going to use my internet. Here we go. And I don't think you can see that color yet, so let me adjust that for you. As you can see, I have a blue blinking light, so let's go ahead and log into our account here. Now, as you're going to see, it's not going to have any internet, but it will come up in settings. You'll see Deco 4 DD0. You'll need to select that Wi-Fi internet. You're not going to have any internet, but it'll be okay just to get us through the setup here. Let's begin. Yeah, we've been wanting to begin for a while here, but all right, here we go. We got the M9 Plus. Got that all going. All right. Yep, we already did that. Yep. Okay. That's all blue flashing. Okay. There we go. Look at there. And I want you to notice there that the blinking blue light is now solid. Alright. I'm calling this one green room. Okay. Next. Yep. Right, the network name here is going to be Walker. Shall we play a game? Anybody know where that's coming from? A little nostalgia there, huh? Movie War Games? Huh? Okay, it wasn't that original, but it's cool. Come on, you know it is. Okay, as I type in my password from my network, I want you to notice that the solid blue light there on the module there. Okay, I have a pretty strong password in case I'll type it here.
Alrighty, and so here we go. It's looking for the network, creating it here.
Got a solid blue up there to create my network.
And voila, there it is. It is connected. And we'll have to do an update here, I'm sure. The hardware for the Deco. As soon as it connects. There it is. Alrighty. Now we can connect everything we want to it. Okay, I want you to note up there where it says update the Deco firmware. Go ahead and update now. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, here's going to let you identify what you have. And of course, you've got the M9 Plus. And if you wanted to add another module to it, you would have picked that. Alrighty, well, and there you have it. I'm going to go ahead and let mine update the firmware, so it's going to shut your internet off when it reboots back up, but it takes a little while, but you need to do it. So thanks a lot for stopping by, and I sure hope it helped you.